So I started Sinus and Snoring Specialists after being in a large group practice for more than 2 decades. I really decided to do that because as I got involved in developing the original prototype for the balloon that we use for balloon sinuplasty, we began to become a teaching institution. Physicians from all over the country come in and watch and learn and how to adopt this new technology in their own practice. I began to realize also how much that can benefit in terms of snoring and sleep apnea, and how incorporating balloon sinuplasty into the correction of that very frustrating problem can have tremendous results for people. Now we have physician practices from all over the country, hundreds and hundreds, both from inside the United States and outside. They come to our office every other week. They spend a day with us. And what I feel good about is not just that we're able to provide this very unique, significant improvement for patients with these problems, but in Virginia and California and Washington and Pennsylvania, physicians that have visited us have incorporated these techniques and are now offering this new, I think, and higher quality form of care for patients. So it makes me feel good. I won't do this forever. So I think over the next couple of decades or so, we're going to leave a little bit of a legacy, I think, where patients with these frustrating problems are going to have a solution throughout the United States.